Again.
Doorbell!
Reed's doorbell. Close it, close it, close it. Where is she? What? What?
Who's there?
Oh my god!
She's probably so.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. You have to pull. 1, 2, 3. Wait,
Morgan. Justin.
Oh my god, get away down. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Holy shit. Did it even spark that?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Can you go get the mail?
So baby, we're mine. When you go to sleep at night, you can think about me all night long. But I think just this. So baby, if you are not ready for my kiss, then you can wear my sweatshirt. Oh my god, one I hold. You can wear my. I want you to be cold. So you can wear my sweatshirt.
Hey!
And I don't want you to be cold. So baby, wear my sweatshirt.
Sweatshirt, mother.
Cause you're the only one I hold.
I remember when me and Derek did this. When it was like pouring. Oh my god! Just like a big ass drop of rain just on my hand. I hope it was right.
Hey!
Crocodile, what is this?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! Ah! Look at those clouds, they look so cute. This on the other hand. That looks like the only one clouds, you know what I mean? Kanye fans. Oh my god, there's two. There's two. Ah! Smoke weed every day. Maybe not. There. That's where that thing hit her.
Right here.
Supposedly.
Right
Even though
here.
every single other finger looks like that.
No, right here, dipshit.
There's a lot.
The life of ratchet people.
We all had to eat one like that.
Look at it! You're gonna put the fire out again!
You always do. We'll put the fire out again.
Oh my gosh! Why does that sound like acting? Oh, Lindsay! You put it out again! Go back to one of my old videos if you don't know what I mean.
Yeah, because
Just for your next marshmallow.
I'm gonna roast you in the next fire. I'm gonna roast you. Oh my gosh! Lindsay, don't put it out again. Don't put it out.
Guys!
References.
Oh, I thought that was a big rock.
it was an ash.
It looked like it was hot.
There we go.
Oh my god!
Is it so black? Is that what you said?
Just wait, the next one's gonna be so fire. Oh yeah, girl. Oh my god! Oh, a firefly. Oh, mother. We're going back here in this field to go out to where the lightning is currently striking.
It's okay.
Oh my god! Where is she? Oh my god! She fell on the book. I can't see shit. I can't see shit. That's what you get for no ballsing me into this. Oh my god! Hurry up! Hurt. We out here, boy. Hey, music, lay. On the way back, though, Hannah. The fuck? I'm never no ballsing you again. That's what you get when you with me. God.